What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Jordan 1 Obsidian. Now before we take a closer look at these, I'm going to give you guys, my subscribers, a chance to win a pair just because you guys have been showing mad love and I've been able to secure 2 pairs. I rarely get double ups, but one of my boys came through and I was able to get another pair. So I'm going to go ahead and give them away to one of you guys. Let me just go ahead and grab them real quick. Bam, here we go, guys. Another pair. Now this is a size 8.5. I got both in a size 8.5. So if you win these, you can probably sell them or whatever you want to do with them. But here's the other pair right here. Super fire. I'm just super thankful I was able to grab 2 pairs and I want to bless one of you guys. So if you want to win these, go ahead and follow the rules on the screen. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already and like the video. Follow me on my Instagram and comment whatever you want to comment and then comment your Instagram handle. That's it. It's all you got to do to win a pair of these in a size 8.5. Dead stock. You can sell them on StockX. I mean, the resale prices are pretty high. So I mean, do whatever you want with them. But the best of luck to you. Let's go ahead and get on with the video. Finally, Jordan Brand decided to bless us with a blue Jordan 1. Lately, we've been getting red after red after red Jordan 1. It got kind of redundant, so it was refreshing to see them release a blue colorway. So you have the nice sail colorway on the mid panel, which is a nice touch. I'm glad they didn't go with the normal white. For me personally, I feel like the sail gives it a more vintage, worn-in look. And that continues on to the toe box, where the leather is very nice and plush. I've seen some pairs, they're not really consistent with the leather quality, but the pair I got, surprisingly, it's very plush. And then following the toe up to the tongue, you have the sail tongue right there with the little Nike branding in university blue and navy blue. Continuing with the navy blue, you have it wrapped around the toe box, which gives this colorway a crazy touch. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of navy, but when they do it right like they did on this sneaker, I think you can pull it off really well. Then you have some more navy on the laces. They also give you a second pair of laces, which is in the UNC blue. That might look pretty nice, or I might just go ahead and throw in some white laces. I think that'll look pretty clean too. And then the swoosh is dressed in that navy. And then the back panel is just in that UNC blue. It's a perfect shade of blue in my opinion. I think it just works well with the navy and the sail. You have a navy wings logo and then navy sock liner on the inside. With the outsole, you have just like the sail outsole. I mean, it looks more white to me, but it does say sail on the box. And then the outsole is fully navy. Now, I probably would have went with like probably a UNC blue. I think that'll look way better. But I mean, it is what it is. You have the navy outsole. It's nothing too much to complain about. It's still a very nice sneaker at the end of the day. Now, comparing these to my other ones, I have the bread toe ones and the royal ones. I think the leather on this pair right here is probably the best. I'll go ahead and throw up some shots to try and compare them. And these are fresh out the box, so I mean, you can tell the leather's just gonna get better with time. Now, this isn't the first time they released a blue, UNC blue Jordan 1. They had the one dressed in like that all patent leather, which it was a cool colorway, but I mean, just the all patent leather is just a no for me. I just think it looks weird on the feet. In pictures, they're dope as hell, but like on feet, I just feel like it'd be uncomfortable. It's just not for me. I'd much rather have it in all leather. Now, they have been releasing a ton of Jordan 1s recently, but those colorways weren't really a smash like this one right here. For some reason, a lot of people were feeling these right here. A lot of people I know took L's as well. I was lucky enough to grab them on sneakers and I couldn't be happier. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what these bad boys look like on feet. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So let me know what you guys think about these in the comments below. I mean, I was thinking about reselling them because prices are pretty nice, but after I have them on feet, like, I don't know, I just want to keep them in the personal collection for a while. And who knows, I mean, I can always sell them in the future if I don't, mess them up too much, which I don't think I will. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this one, go ahead and leave a like on it. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you copped in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.